Dentistry and General Radio Network presents The Fountain Pen Chronicles with Dr. Bob Dee and Tim Ettenheim. In this episode, Red Geha.
Geha actually stands for the Gebrüder Handel. They were two brothers in Germany who in the 19-teens built an office supply company. Geha did not actually start building fountain pens until after World War II, so they had the benefit of a lot of years before them, and they just dipped right into it. They were in Hanover, and which is also where Pelican was, and I believe still is, and there was a very large fountain pen community around them. And they started with fountain pens new after World War II in the early 1950s. This pen is unlike almost any other German pen of the era in that it's red. Almost every German pen of the era was black. And they were made of an acrylic resin, which was typical, or celluloid, which was also typical. Geha started with acrylic resin pens. You can always tell just by the shine. But finding a red one is very unusual. As you can see also by the blind cap and the cap on the bottom of the pen, it's a piston-operated pen, just like the Aurora was. Many higher-end European pens were pistons. This, however, is not a high-end pen. This was probably one step above a budget pen, what the Germans often called a Schulfäller, a school pen. But it's a beautiful pen with a very nice clip that says Geha on it. Most did not. And they also invented a cute little hidden device, what they called the Reservetank, which is a little hidden reserve ink area behind the feed, so that when you ran out of ink, you reached up, you activate the reserve tank, and you get another page out of it.
This has been a production of Dentistry and General Radio Network. Visit our website, dentistryandgeneral.com, to join engaging clinical and business conversations, explore our dental podcasts, and stay updated on our upcoming live events.